last week everything was okay? No questions?
I just have one question.
Yeah.
It's a very basic question, but it's
Uh-huh.
like over a long time of period of time, I forgot everything. It's about drawing 4.
Okay, 1 second. Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Sam.
Kashif Saab, I will be co-hosting with Mr. Javed Hanif for today. He will be joining us a little bit late. He has some family gathering. So you can continue, you can start the training. So if anyone has any questions, so they can reach me out in the chat. I will be happy to assist them.
So she's asking a question. So should I reply or should I go to the
Yeah, you can continue. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes? Hello? Hello?
शुक्रिया आपको पोस्ट हैं आप
कोई बात नहीं जावेद साहब. You can join us later. Naz is asking some question from Kashif साहब, तो वो जवाब दे दें तो फिर we will continue inshallah ताला. Thank you.
What's your question? Hello?
Hello.
मेरा question I think Naz was talking. Sorry, I have interrupted.
That's okay. May I ask you a good name?
Sayyed.
No, the lady.
This is Annie here, Naz.
Oh, okay, Annie. Okay,
Yeah,
I cannot see on my screen who is talking. That's why.
So I will be co-hosting. In the meanwhile, Mr. Javed has some family gathering, so he will be joining later. But as I am a part of training committee of NADAC, so he is heading us. So he has requested me that we can continue the training, and he will be joining after the gathering will be over.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, what about leave the questions till the end of the session for the last recording? So in the end, I can tell you what to do and help you out. That's okay?
Yeah, that's okay. That's fine. Thank you.
No problem. So this is a new tutorial. So this is a rectangle of a 10" by 6". So you can see the screen?
जी.
This is a rectangle. From here, we pick the rectangle. Click here. 10 is the length and 6 the height. So this is your rectangle. Now we go to, now you see here, we go to modify, explode it so it becomes separate. Enter. Now you can see in the drawing, this is 0.5 offset here. So we go to offset, enter the command prompt. It says specify offset distance. So it's a 0.5. Enter. This line, this side, up, here, and here. Then there is a middle line at 5. So we go to offset again. 5, enter. This line here. And the other offset. So that will be 6. So it will be 3. Sorry. Offset 3. This line here. Now what we have here is there are three circles here. 0.625 dia, 0.375 dia, and a radius of 1. So we go to AutoCAD, draw circle, center, diameter. This point, 0.625, center diameter from the snap center, 0.375. And we have a circle of center radius of 1. We got this thing. Now what we are going to do is we are going to copy all this, enter from this point to this. So we got this thing, zoom extent. Now we need to trim it in a way. Here is the new command, trim, very important command, trim and extend. Trim is something you don't need in the drawing. So we need to get that shape. So we go to trim and we delete this. It's not a good idea to go on trimming here all of them because you should delete them. It's not a good practice in AutoCAD. So if somebody sees you, a qualified person, trimming all these, that's not professional. So just trim the ones you don't need. Now we see the drawing. The upward one. So from this, shape, go to trim again. So now what we do is we zoom in and we pick the lines which were left. Delete.
So instead of deleting these, can we convert to central line of the circle?
Sorry.
Instead of deleting these small line around circle, can we convert to central line? Why we are deleting?
Because we need to get the shape, right?
Yeah.
We don't go keep on trimming, you know.
Okay.
You can't just go on trimming. So what's your question? I didn't understand.
Actually, you see, there were before. Yeah, actually, here just there were a small central line of the circle. So we can keep them and convert them from solid line to what you call dash
Yeah,
line.
we'll do it later in the next tutorial.
Okay. Sorry for that.
No problem. So just make this one and let me know if you have any questions.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
What is the diameter of the circles?
One is diameter 0.625.
The big one,
The big one is radius 1.
radius 1, and the small one is what?
0.625 and 0.375. Can you see the drawing?
Yeah, I could see the tutorial drawing.
You can see here 0.625 diameter,
Yeah, I can see that.
and here also 0.375.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Yeah. Can you please again explain the trim command, because there was a problem with my computer at that time when you were explaining it.
No problem. That's good. No, more. Here. Now you go here. You can see the trim. Go to trim. You don't need this. What you don't need, you click there. You don't need this. Just get the shape you want.
Okay.
So we can also drag this cursor in order to trim.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay. Thank you.
No problem. Got it?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Let me know when you finish the tutorial so I can move ahead.
Well,
Yes.
the dimension, I just tried dimensioning it. It shows as 5 with the inch sign. Like, how do we set all that?
What does it show?
I mean, it shows the number with the inch sign symbol as well.
It's actually in inches. Yeah.
Right, but
You go to
where is the
draw
setting?
circle center diameter. Which inch sign?
You know, the dimension, like, which says 10 is the length of the rectangle and 5 is the height, right? Oh,
Yeah,
6 is
yeah.
the height. It
Yeah.
actually, I mean, dimensions it as 5 inches, like, you know, the inch symbol. Like, but I don't know. I just opened a blank file from the template and I didn't set any units or anything. It just shows like this. I was wondering
Yeah,
where.
default is inches.
Okay. Okay, but it actually shows the inch symbol. In your sketch, it doesn't show the symbol, right? Like it just says 10 and 5 and
Yeah, exactly.
okay. Is there some place that you can go to, let's say, remove
You
that
can dimension it later on. You go to dimension, and when you dimension, it will give you in inches,
Okay.
When you go to dimension that thing, it will show you in inches. Then you can know that this is an inch. Or the best thing is if you can see on the screen file, if you say new, you have here, click here. No template imperial is inches. No template metric is millimeters.
Can you show your screen? You're sharing the sketch.
Okay, 1 second. So we go to file.
Yes.
New.
Mm-hmm.
Click here.
Yeah.
Open with
Oh.
no template.
Oh.
We will go to template later on. Open with no template, imperial and metric. Imperial is inches, metric is millimeter.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you.
Any questions?
I have a question.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, why is trimming a bad practice? If you're deleting everything like individually, is that not the same thing as just trimming it?
Because when you trim the, like if I trim the inside of the circle here, okay? You can see the screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
If I go to trim now, and if I do trim this, this, you're left with this line you have to delete, you cannot trim this one. You got it?
Wait, could you explain it again? Yeah. The screen is like delayed.
If you go to trim now, and you trim this line, okay? Trim this line and this line. You see here, this won't trim because it's not intersecting. So this will remain there, so you have to do it later on.
Okay, I get it. I get it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Is there any time limit to do this assignment?
It's up to you, if you want to make it, or if you're getting hard, you can do it later on, because how many people finish it?
Nobody say yes.
Yeah.
I finished it.
So what should we do? Go to the next or wait for this?
I think we should wait for it because you already explained everything.
You will wait?
Yeah.
Okay.
There is a word written after dimension of the circle. Diameter typical, yeah. So typical
Yeah.
we have to write every time.
For typical, what you can do is if you go to 1 second. Like typical is like everything is the same, right?
Yeah,
So
exactly.
if I go to draw, sorry, dimension, diameter, this one. So if you want to do typical,
So we have to add manually.
yeah, you go to modify,
Yeah, exactly.
float
Yeah.
this. Now you click here. PY. You have it here. You can move this.
So you did not explode this. It is just you add it.
No, explode it.
Yeah, but if you explode this sign of this, what is called a diameter, is still remains same.
Yeah,
Okay, that's good.
that doesn't change the drawing. Yeah.
Sir.
Okay.
I wanted to ask, how did you explode it?
Go to modify. Explode.
I don't have the top tab where it says File, Edit, View.
Okay.
Like-
In the command prompt, type menu bar, MENU.
Okay.
BAR.
Yeah.
Enter. Enter. One enter.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
No problem. Okay, everybody okay?
Yes, almost done.
So we move forward.
Yes, sure.
We have this one. This is again a rectangle 4x4x4. So we go to AutoCAD, rectangle, click here, 4, tab 4, enter. Then if you see here, there is an offset of 1, 1, 2, and 1. So we go to offset 1, enter. Control 3, modify, explode this one, offset 1, this line here, this line here, this line here, and this line here. And we want one in the center line also. So if you go to the drawing,
We cannot see your screen. Like we can just see the drawing, but how you are drawing it, we cannot see it.
no?
No, just the drawing.
So just the tutorial, yeah, it is not showing your actual screen. Okay, screen.
Now?
No,
No?
No, we are not seeing it.
Now?
Yeah.
You can see?
Yes.
yes.
It's just-
Yes.
So I make it again.
No,
No,
that's
it's
fine.
fine.
You just
So-
offset it, the 4 lines.
Yeah. Then we go to share
Sorry,
again.
just a question.
Yeah.
How does the system not offset inside or outside?
Outside, if you move the mouse up, it will go upward.
Sorry?
If you move the mouse above that,
Oh.
it will go upward.
Okay, inside or outside click here.
Yeah,
Got it. Thank you.
no problem. So we have a center line also. So we go to AutoCAD. Offset 2. Now we have a
So the line which you just draw, the offset, instead of offset, can we not pick the center of the top line, top horizontal line, and put it there?
Yeah, you can do that.
So this is then exactly at the center instead of calculating.
Yeah, I can show you. Now this you have, right? So I delete this one and I go to line from this midpoint of the short triangle snap. So we go to object snap. Midpoint. From line, from this point here, now you can see the center. Got it? Miss Kuratulan? Miss Kuratulan?
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी काशिफ साहब.
There's a lot of disturbance in Javed Hanif thing, you know, you should tell him
Oh,
to stop.
okay, let me tell him on the text. Okay,
हमारे
thank you.
एक यहाँ एक सीनियर इंजीनियर था, भाई आपको याद है, सऊदी अरब में थे, जहीर जुबैरी साहब. There is साफो में टेक्निकल मैनेजर मेंटेनेंस में और 64 पे ग्रेजुएट है। अच्छा बंदा है, हमारे जो भी वहाँ इलेक्शन हुए उसमें इलेक्शन कमिश्नर और इन्हीं के हाथ होती रही। वो बेचारा आजकल थोड़ा बीमार है, तो हम लोग 4-5 दोस्त उनको सपोर्ट करते हैं खासतौर से। मैंने यार ऐसे लोगों को मिलते रहना चाहिए। नावरी उनकी ठीक है, आंखें जरा खराब हो गई हैं, देख नहीं पा रहा यार, ये क्या हो रहा है।
Hello.
अच्छी रही उनसे मुलाकात।
Hello.
बहरहाल ये अच्छी चीज है कि अपने सीनियर्स को फैसिलिटेट
अरे
करते
Yeah,
क्लास
I'm calling him.
ओपन किया हुआ है, बंद कर दें।
Mute him. Okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. When we go here, we see a circle here, which is dia 1 typical. And there are two holes, 0.266 and 0.3. So we go here. Dot. Where's the AutoCAD not showing? Can see now? AutoCAD.
Yeah, we see that AutoCAD. Yeah.
Yeah. Draw a circle, center diameter at this point, 0.266. And the other one is center diameter 0.3. We got this one. And we have another circle of center diameter of 1. We got this. Now we copy these. Looks like something different. Now we go to copy these two circles, enter from center point to here. Now we go to array, polar array, this one, enter. The center point of the array is this point, the center of the bottom circle. And the number of items we want is 4. So we get this thing, right? Now we go to copy.
Sorry, does it know that it is clockwise or anti-clockwise? Here it doesn't matter.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. So click here, enter from this point to here and here. Now you see this this line is dotted. Can you see it? Can you see the drawing?
Yes, it is dotted.
So now we go click this line and double click it. When you double click, the properties comes up. So circle line type. Line type is a
Dotted. It is not
dotted.
here.
This is not here. Doesn't matter. Okay. Go to other and load. Let's take a center X2. Now click here. Go here. Now you see It's not changed. So we double click here again. And where is the line type scale? 1 second. Used to be there. Go to quick properties. Let's see. Let's write here LT scale. Now it's saying enter new line type scale factor, say 0.25. Now you see here. So you go to LT line type scale,
Line scale.
make it 0.1. You see the dotted lines?
Yes.
Now you go to here match properties, very good function. Click on match properties and match this to this and this. So now we delete the lines. I'll make it. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Is that okay?
What is the diameter of the smaller circle? That's two small circles.
0.266 and 0.3.
0.266 and 0.3. Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Can you bring up the original diagram from the tutorials?
This one?
The one from the slides.
Here?
It's not showing on the screen.
Oh, 1 second, Scott. That's good?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Hello?
Okay, sure. You can. We
Sure.
can wait.
Yeah.
Take your time.
If you see here this rectangle, there are no central line of the rectangle, and it is also not needed because all dimensions are from corner of the rectangle. Bottom left corner. You see 1 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches horizontal line.
Yes, I'm back.
Oh, okay, sorry. Go ahead.
Hello?
Hi, yeah, we can hear you, Kashif Saab. You can continue.
You have any question?
I think Hashir has asked some question. Mr. Sharik and Hashir, they were asking for tutorial. In the chat, I have seen that they are asking, he is asking for the link for the tutorial. If you can. So is there any link to the slides used for the tutorial? That's what he has asked. Or we
Let
can
me-
take a screenshot of this, maybe.
Yeah, do that.
Later use. We will be sharing the recording as well as we did
Yeah,
last.
exactly. Yeah.
So they can review from there.
Yeah.
Can you show how you did that polar array? Like which
Polar array?
Yes. How do we make the four?
1 second, I'll let you know. Just delete this one. Now we have a circle, center diameter at this point. To draw offset line, 1 second. Just delete, move to modify, explode, explode this one, because arrays are all common entity. So you have to explode them. Now you can select it. Now you go to array, you go to polar array because it's a rotational thing. So polar array, select this to enter. Click on the center of the middle circle because that is the point where you want to array from. Click here. Now this box comes up. Now how many items we have? 4 items, right?
Yeah.
Just 4, enter, and just say close array. There.
So are we selecting the middle 2 circles?
No, just the top one, not the middle one. Middle
Oh,
one
I
is the
see.
point from where you do the array.
Okay. I see. Okay, I'll try. Thanks.
For the dotted circle, one is the diameter radius.
That is dia 1.
Okay.
And then do we just select the top circles and copy all of it to the bottom?
No, you have to use the array command because you need to learn the array command, right? You can do copy also, you are right, but it's better to use the array command.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah.
See, it is written that drill diameter 0.266 and countersinks diameter 0.3. What is this?
Yeah.
82 or?
It's 82 degrees because the countersink is the two type counter bore and countersink.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. So it is taper.
It's the angle.
Yeah. Taper.
Yeah, tapered angle. Yeah.
How do we change the line type to the center line?
Yeah, I will show you. Now I just delete this. Draw a circle center diameter from this point. Now we need to change this into dotted line. So if you go here by layer, this is the line weight we do later. Line type, you have to go to other. Then you have to, hello.
Yes.
Then you have to go to pick this one, delete it. You don't need to delete if you have it. Load and go to center. Center X2. Okay.
I don't have that option. Oh yeah, I do. Center X2. Yes.
Then what you do, you can do two things. You have to change the scale of the circle, right? So you can type here LT scale in the command prompt, or it's an option here in properties here. If you click here, so it menu bar opens here in the left. You see here line type and a line type scale. So I say line type scale is 0.25, but I didn't pick the thing, you know. Line type scale 0.25. Line type is center. It's changed into dotted one, right? Now we go to match properties and make a circle here also. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Should we move forward? Hello?
Just take question.
Yeah.
So by default, it is the solid line. Whenever we
Yeah.
draw, it's a solid line.
Yeah.
Can we change it to dotted line?
Yeah.
And then we can go back to solid line here. So instead of in match or property or by, what is it, by layer, can we draw in dotted line?
You want to draw in dotted line?
Yeah, just maybe it is the second
Yeah,
option.
if you click line here and now you draw here or so on. This is a dotted line.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Got it?
Yeah.
So we move forward now.
No, mine is not changing to that dashed line type. Like you
Not
double
changing?
click, right? I mean, you just draw a solid circle and then you double click that circle, just any random circle.
I make a circle.
Yeah.
And now what are you saying?
Then in order to change this to dashed, you have to double click and that properties window pops up, right? Or
Yeah, you
right
can do
click.
that, or you can use this menu bar you can see here.
Yes.
You go here, other,
Yes. Mm-hmm.
and when you go to other, you can load,
Yes, I did. Mm-hmm.
then do let's say that's through
Center. X.
center.
Okay.
Now click on this line, go to center.
Oh,
Now
did it change?
click on this. It's better to go from here.
And change. Okay.
See, now it's dotted.
Yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. We go to this one. Now this is a rectangle 4.75 by 4.75. You go to AutoCAD, rectangle 4 point tab. You can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is a 0.25 inside. So we go to AutoCAD. So offset 0.25. This line here. Right? Now we go to modify.
We cannot see
So
the AutoCAD screen. It's just the tutorial.
okay, one. So let's delete it.
Now we can see it.
Yeah. Rectangle at this point 4.75. 4.75. Now you go to offset 0.25. This line inside. Now we explode the inner line. So modify, explode this line, enter. Now you go to offset. You can see here. This is 0.5 and this is 0.5 and this is 1.75. So this distance is 0.25. So we go to get offset 0.25. This line up, this line here, and offset 1.75. This line here. And we need one more line of 0.25 to 0.25. This line here. Now we go to trim this line. Got it? Now we have two array. So we go to array, rectangular array of this one. Enter. How many columns we have? We have two columns at a distance of 2. And we have 8 rows at a distance of 0.5. So done. That's the drawing. Got it?
We can also mirror the right side
Yeah, you can do that.
if it is symmetrical to the center.
Yeah, let's try that. Let's do that. So modify, explode, delete this one. Go to mirror. This from the center point. Got it? I can make it.
Can you show us the tutorial?
Oh, sorry.
What's the offset between the columns and the rows?
If you see on the drawing, you can see the drawing.
Yeah.
You see this is a 0.5, right?
Yes.
So from this point, the first point of this is small rectangle, the first point of this point to the first point of this one is 0.5, right?
Yes. Yes.
And from this point to the right, if you go till this point is 2.
Oh, okay, got it.
Done? Move forward.
I'm almost done. So 2 more minutes.
Yes, move.
Huh? I have to restart my computer. The Zoom is not working. Hello?
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, no, sir. No problem.
First, I will restart. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
So you all did this one, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now we go to the next slide. This one, this is a blade. So now we learn a new thing. We draw construction line. So this is construction line. It's an infinite line on both ends. Like you see here in the schematic, it can be used for this purpose. We go to construction line. We go to ortho is already on. Click on the screen, move your mouse. When you see the line, click. Then move your mouse until you see the next line, click. So these are two infinite lines on both ends, both sides. So then we have,
Can I explain it again?
okay. Go to draw line, draw. Construction line is here. It will tell you construction line. So construction line from here also should be on. When you see the line, click. Then move your mouse to see the other horizontal line. When you see the horizontal line, click again. So we made two construction lines. it makes it easier for you to delete the offsets. So go to this drawing. Now this is a circle here of a 1.5 diameter circle. So draw a circle, center diameter this point 1.5. Now we go to this is 1.5. You see here is the offset 0.25. So the 0.25 half is 0.125 and this is 0.875. So we go to offset 0.125, this line here and this line here. Now the other offset was how much? 0.875. So offset 0.875. This line goes down. Now we go to trim. Don't trim the construction lines. Trim the other ones. This. No, don't delete the construction line. So you made the key for the hole, right? Now we go to share. Now what we have here is a dia of 4.5. There is a circle here. So circle diameter 4.5. That's your circle. Now what you need to do is you see this is the circle, right? So this angle here is 23 and this is 34. So 23 plus 34 is 57. So we make two lines. One line from this point, ortho of, say at the rate 4, angle 23. Now you make the other line is 57. Line from this point at the rate 4, angle 57. Got these two lines. Now we go back to the drawing. Now this circle here is 0.25 and this one is 2.5. So this is 2.5 and 2. So we go to here, draw a circle, center radius at this point, 0.25, copy this circle, enter from here to here. Now we draw two circle, center radius, this point to circle, center radius 2.5. So you got this. Now go to trim this, and trim the inner ones. So you see I did a wrong thing here. Delete this. You can select like this also. Okay, we didn't trim that one. So go to trim this one. Now we go to array, polar, select this one, enter from the center point, as 4 of them. So the array. Now if you go to drawing, so now the outer circle is dia 6.5, and this line here is 20 degrees, and this line perpendicular to this line is 90 degrees. So we go back. So we go here, circle, center diameter 6.5. Now you draw a line from this point, say at the rate 6, angle 20. Enter. Now what we do is that we create a line from this point, and if you come here, you can see this is the midpoint. If you go further, now you go to O snap, and you go to perpendicular to, now you can see the perpendicular sign. You see perpendicular? Click, enter. Now you trim this. Now delete this line. Now you have an array. So array of polar, this line and this line, enter from the center point, and the total items is 18. Close the array, delete the construction lines, delete the outer circle. Got it? Hello?
Yeah, but we don't delete the outer circle. We change the from solid line to dotted line.
You can do that. You know how to do that, right? You
Yeah.
can change, yeah.
Just I have a question. You did 4 slots, yeah?
Yeah.
So I think, is there any, if you on the top, there is anything we can direct make the slot
Like how?
instead of 4 circle and then trimming?
You want to directly make it?
No, can we make it? I believe yes.
Like you need to know the dimension, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, you can do that, yeah.
Okay.
What time is break?
Now it is about 2
It
minutes.
will be after 15 minutes, 5 p.m. 5 to
5 p.m. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. Okay, thank you.
Sir, could you go on the slides, the one with all the dimensions? Thank you.
How did you make those cuts? The 90-degree lines?
Yeah, I'll show you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's okay?
Yeah, and yeah, that first line, how?
That's a line of 20 degree, right?
Mm. Yes.
You go to line, click on this point, the intersection, move your mouse here, and you can see, to zoom in, you can see there's no perpendicular sign here. So we go to object snap, go to perpendicular. Now, if you see here, the perpendicular sign you can see?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, right here. Click,
Oh,
enter.
okay.
Okay. Now you need to mirror, sorry, array, folder. Eighteen of them.
Sir, could you go back to the slides?
Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Okay.
Could you just repeat that last the array? Like where is the center point? Like my lines are intersecting.
1 second. So if you go back, this is okay, right?
Yes.
Go to array, polar array.
Mm-hmm.
Now first you select the things you want to array. You want to array this line and this line. And whenever you select object, you have to enter, right?
Mm-hmm.
Enter this center point of the circle. And the items are 18, total 18 blades, 18 slots. So 18 and enter and close the array. Then you delete the outer line. Now finally, when you have made the drawing, you can delete these section lines.
Okay, thank you.
So for this array, we don't need to like make any other changes.
Any other change?
Like, I mean, if you click this array for the polar one,
Uh-huh.
like, can you do it? Like, can you open it so I can tell you what I'm asking for?
Go to array,
Mhm.
polar. Okay.
Mhm.
Go to polar. Select the item you want to array, this line and this line. Enter from the center point of this. And the total items are 18.
Okay. So I'm asking, like, I mean, for those ones, we just need to put the items, like, not like the distance in between or something, like we don't need to change
No,
anything?
just need to put the items. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
So what do you think? We take a break or then it will be late, So what about let's meet at
Yeah,
5.
you can take a break because it's the time has been changed. So we already have a Maghrib prayer, so we can take from now till 5:10, 5:15, whatever you like.
Yeah, you tell me what time you come back, then I know.
15 minutes is enough for me. You can ask the consent of
It's
others
already
as well.
4:55. So if you go to the next tutorial, it will be late then, you know.
Oh, 5:10,
we-
we can come back.
Okay, great.
Okay, so for now it is 4:56. We will be back in
5:15.
4:11. 5:11, yes. Okay, 5:15 will be fine. Thank you.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, thank you.
Kashi Saab, sorry, I have to leave,
Okay, no problem.
but it is very interesting. Thank you so much for your assistance.
Thank you so much, sir, for it. I appreciate it.
Or we will bother you again and again.
Huh?
अच्छा लगा. Very nice.
Thank
session.
you, sir. Thank you.
So next session is same time, Saturday?
No, today is the session. We take a Maghrib break now.
No,
It's
I
not
know,
come-
but actually I have to leave. That's why I'm asking for the next session.
Next session is next Saturday at around 3:15, I think.
Okay.
The course is still going till 6 o'clock.
Yeah. Actually, I live in Hamilton, and right
Okay.
now I am in Mississauga.
New tutorial. This is a new tutorial. It's an art type of thing. So the center point is here, and the dia of the circle is that is given 0.6 typical. So we go to file, close. No. Now file. Now you click file. Go to file, new, and go to here, no template, imperial. Now draw two construction lines. Click anywhere. It's not ortho on, so we go to ortho. You can do it by F8 also. So click here, and when you see the line, click. So circle, center diameter, here, 0.6. Then we have this is the inner circle. Now the outer circle is 0.375. So circle center radius 0.375. Now what we have is a sharing. This circle you see is an offset of 0.5 and the radius is 0.2. So we go back to share. Offset 0.5. Here. Sorry. Offset 0.5. This line up. Now we have a .5 and a radius is 0.2. So share Draw circle, center radius at this point, 0.2. We get this thing. Now there are 6 of them. So we go to array, polar, array, polar, this one, enter, from this center point, enter. Now when you do array or something, these entities are all one entity. So what we need to do is modify, explode the outer circle, the outer array, sorry, enter. Now you go to trim, and what we need is this. You got that shape. Now we go to the tutorial. And you can see here, this outer circle is 2 times of the inner circle. So what we do is we go to scale, new command, scale. What it says here, select objects. What do you want to scale? This thing. But we don't want the inner circle. So what we do is we do control and select. Sorry, shift and select. So it is deselected. Now what it says, select objects, I selected, enter. Base point, I want to scale from this point. How many times? Scale factor is 2. But it says copy or reference. If you don't copy, it will make the inner one bigger and it will delete the original one. So type here copy. Only you have to say C, enter. And its scale is 2, enter. This is the thing we got. I don't think we just need this line anymore. Now what we need to do is now this is 2.2 up. So offset 2.2, enter. This line up. Now we go to copy this one. So put shift and deselect these ones. Enter. From this point to this point. Escape. Now we got this thing. Now, what do you see in the drawing? So this distance between these two is 0.1. So 0.1 half is 0.05. So we go to offset 0.05, this line here and this line here. Now we go to trim this line, this line, this line, this line. Now we don't need the other construction lines. Now we got this. Now we need to add a polar. Select this, enter from the center point of this, enter. Now we don't need this line. Now we have to go to trim and trim these ones. I got this thing. Now if you go back to the drawing, sorry. This is 0.1. So offset 0.05. First make a line, sorry. Line from this center point to this center point. Go to offset 0.05. This line here and this line is here. Now we go to trim this, this, this. Not trimming. Not trimming. It's one entity, I think. Yeah. Modify, explode this, enter, trim. That will do. From this and this. Now that's it. Now trim this line and this line. Now we got the shape. Now we delete. Delete it. Now we go to array, polar, this line and this line, enter. From the center point is this, enter. Now we go to trim. trim. Now we don't need the construction lines. It's finished at the end of the drawing. So delete the construction line. And that's your part. Try it yourself. Okay, should we proceed? Hello? Should we proceed?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, everybody on the same page?
Yes.
Okay, great. Go down. Now we have this thing. This is again in inches. So again, we draw a construction line. Control A, delete. Draw.
Can you enlarge your screen, please?
Huh?
I'm seeing your screen is smaller, huh?
The AutoCAD screen?
Yes.
It's good. Hello?
नो मैं भी इसके साथ जो है ना आपका नाम देख रहा हूँ सैयद काशिफ अख्तर लिखा हुआ स्क्रीन छोटा है इसका
1 second. Now good.
ठीक है that's good.
Sorry about that. Draw construction line. Click here. Also on. Now here. This one. Now this is a why this thing opens up. Okay. Now we make two circles. One is dia 1 and one is radius 1. So circle, center diameter. How much was it? Second. Dia 1 and radius 1. So
Sorry, Kashif Saab, I can see anything.
you can't see?
No, nothing. It's a dark black screen.
1 second. This thing's popping up. Can you see now? Hello?
No, not yet. Is this
No?
only me or anyone else? Yeah.
Nobody can see?
Yeah, I can see.
I can see also.
So is it only me?
Got it?
No, not yet.
You can see I'm making a circle here, no?
Nope.
I think you may need to restart or
Could be. Yeah.
check in the Zoom. It will be some option there.
Okay, sure. Thank you. You may go ahead. Okay, I'll check it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Center diameter from this point. 1, enter. Center diameter radius at this point, 1 enter. So this is the thing we get. Now go to the drawing. Now this offset is 3.5 and this offset is 2.5. So offset 3.5, this line here and this line here, and offset 2.5, this line here and this line here. No, I did something wrong. Second, go to the drawing. So this offset is 3.5 and this is from the center. Okay. So share. So this is 3.5 and offset here. Now what we do is we go to copy these two circles from this point to this point, this point. Now we get this. Now we don't need the other construction lines, only the middle ones. Now what we have is we have to draw a line from this point. You see, it's not giving me the quadrant. So I go to object snap here and I go to quadrant. Now if you make a line from this quadrant down and a line from this quadrant to this quadrant, we get this. Now we go to drawing. Now, oh, I didn't mean the other whole one. Now we have this fillet here, radius 0.5. So we go to drawing. So we go to fillet, it's a new command. Fillet is asking for select first object. This is my first object. I think I'm doing something wrong. Again, fillet. R enter, radius option, 0.5. This line and this line. We got this. Now we go to mirror. This and this. Enter from this point to this point. And we can do fillet 0.5. We'll let R enter 5. Now we can go to mirror. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this point to this point. Sorry. Mirror this. Got it. Now we go to trim. Trim this. Now in the end, we delete the construction line. And that's your drawing. Make it. Some center marks. You move forward.
Yes.
Can go ahead. Hello.
Yeah, I have done.
Okay, everybody else.
Yes, for me.
Okay. Can we move forward? This drawing is in metric system, which is millimeter. So draw construction. First we say file, close. No. File, file, new. Now we go to metric. Now I will want to show you something here. You go to format and go to units. You can go into all these units. There is angstroms, there is nanometers, there is light years, parses, hectometer, millimeter, miles, feet, inches. So this is in millimeter, right? Okay. Then we go to this slide here. Click here. Internal dia is 76 and the offsets are 50-50 on all ends. We go here, draw a circle, center diameter. First, sorry, we used to draw the construction line. Click, off, ortho on, click and click, enter. Circle, center diameter. How much was it? 76. Hello?
Yes, 76.
Yeah. Now what we have is offset of 50 all the way. So offset 50. This line here. This line here. This line here. Now if you go to the drawing, sharing. Not sharing. Can see my screen?
No.
Now?
It's only model showing here, not the AutoCAD.
Yeah, the model is there, right?
Yeah, model is there. Yeah, model is there.
So the dia is 26 and the radius is 25, two circles, four circles, 26 and 25. So we go to, sorry. So circle diameter at this point, 26 circle radius at this point 25. Now we go to copy this, enter point to this point, and this point, this point. Now we don't need all these construction lines. So delete it. Now if I go to the drawing, and I can see here that this radius is 65, and this arc or curve or circle, you can say, is tangent to the outer circle with a radius of 65. So we use a new command. Go to circle, tangent, radius option. So tangent, radius, it says specify point on object for first tangent. So if you click here, you go here, you can see the tangent sign. Click here and click here. Now it's telling you to specify the radius, 65. So I got that. Same way we go to circle, tangent, radius, this and this, enter. Tangent, radius, tangent, radius. Now what we have is trim option. Trim this. Now we don't need the construction lines. Got it?
Did you use trim?
Yeah, after tangent, I use trim. क्या हुआ? नहीं, that's fine. ठीक है, जल्दी आओ, मुझे निकलना है। जल्दी आओ, मुझे निकलना है उसके लिए। हाँ, 7:30 नहीं, 7। जॉर्ज लाना होता है, बहुत लेट है, 7। हाँ, 7।
Could you please show
Hello?
the tutorial?
Oh, sorry about that. Everybody here? Hello?
Yes, Kashif. Yeah.
So now it's 6:15.
Yeah, I think the time is almost over. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. But today we have done a lot of things. Huh?
Yeah. How do you like it?
Yeah, it's very good. I mean, so far for the beginner and refresher, it is a really good course. Right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for Kashif for your time also.
No problem. No problem. Okay, everybody. We meet next week then at 6:15, inshallah.
Okay, Kashif.
3:15 inshallah.
3:15. Yeah, 3:15.
3:15 is
Thank you so much, Kashif sir.
No
Kashif,
problem.
thank you. I have a
Thank
question.
you.
Kashif. Thank
Take
you.
care.
Kashif, ma'am.
Okay, see you next week,
Allah
everyone.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Thank you, Kashif Saab. Really great.
No problem. Allah Hafiz.
But Kashif Sahab, our trial is ending too. So what can we do? Like,
You can. When is it ending?
I'm sorry,
When is it ending?
it is in 6 days before the next class.
So you install AutoCAD 2025 before 1 day.
Okay.
Not the LT version, the general AutoCAD free trial for 15 days.
Okay.
So we
But
have to,
before-
reinstall, like uninstall and then reinstall again.
Yeah, uninstall this and reinstall not LT 2025 AutoCAD.
Okay, all right.
It's the same thing, is some difference there, nothing much different.
Okay, because I also got only 15 days, so mine also expiring.
Yeah,
before next
LT,
class.
you have LT now, you should search
Yes.
for only AutoCAD.
Okay.
For home
Okay.
use.
Do it before 1 day so it can go longer.
That's right.
All
yeah.
right, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much. Okay.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.
Javed Saab, so can I exit now? You will be taking care rest of the recording.
हाँ आप एग्जिट कर दें, आपको होस्ट है ना, आप इसको क्लोज कर दें मीटिंग और इसको ओके
क्लोज कर दूं अपनी तरफ से. ओके.
जी वो सब फील्ड हो जाएगी क्लोज.
ओके जी. अल्लाह हाफिज.
Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Allah Hafiz.